Hello, hello. We are ready for part 2 of our series working on our theme and layout. So part 2 had 2 different series just so that we can figure out the layout, the coloring, change the font. If you missed that video, it is just the one prior to this one, and this is going to help you actually get everything set up so that you are ready for what we're doing right now. So we are going to click on layout because the previous video shows how to change your color and all of that, and right now we are going to add all these gadgets. So no matter which layout you chose in the previous video, this is how you're going to add your images and whatever else you want to add, and it's really quick and simple, okay? So the first thing here is if you had an image from your website that was this size, you could change it and it would say, it wouldn't say B here, this blogger, it would be something different. I never change it, I just leave it as it is. So it's entirely up to you if you want to work on that. The next one is the search bar, and I'm going to click on this one here, which is a light transparent. We're going to click save. I'm going to show you it on the blog. It is right up here. It blends right in with the website. You see there's the B, there's our search box, there's our email address. When you click on more, it takes you to being able to share by email, share by Facebook, share. So this is where they can share your information. And now we're going to go to our cross column. Now I have a search bar in there right now, so I'm going to remove the search bar so that you see what you're looking at when you go to add a gadget. Every time you click on add a gadget, whether it's here, here, or down here, the same thing is going to pop up. Okay, the same block. So I'm going to show you that right now. We are going to click here. Okay, so you can add AdSense, which would be an ad where if somebody clicked on it, you make money. We're not there yet. That is going to be down the road. And these are all the things that you can add. I personally don't want to put too much when you first log on to make it look too crowded. So I am going to just put another blog search there. And you'll see when we get through everything, search this blog. We're going to save it. We're going to go back and view our blog. This is the line that I just put here. Now what I want you to look at is custom jewelry with Sandy. What we're going to do right now is we're going to do our header. I don't want it to look like that because it's really plain. I have a description already typed out, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now, from a web means your website, you would have to get the URL. A lot of people don't know how to do that, and I'm not going to show you in this video. I might show you in a later video. So I just want you to know that all we're going to do is we're going to browse my images, and we're going to choose something. We don't want it behind the title, and we don't want it instead of the title, because I kind of want it all there, but I want it to be after my image, and I want it to shrink to fit. So we're going to browse my images, and I really want to add this particular image because when you join for $50, you get $50 free. So you pay for your shipping and you pay for your tax, and it's like getting $100 worth of inventory for $50. So I think that's a great image. We're going to click, we're going to click save. Okay, so now that is all done, and we are going to view our blog. So this, every time somebody clicks on, no matter what post I share, this is going to be my header, and this is what it's going to look like. And here is create custom photo jewelry with your own jewelry plus engrave to make it even more personal. Need help or have questions? Email me. And then here's that search box. Okay, so now what we're going to start doing is we are going to start adding more gadgets. This is for our main post. We don't need anything here. Now, when you sign on to do your own, you're going to see this particular one added. Okay, I just want to save it so you can see what it looks like. It's going to look like this. I personally don't want that there because it really doesn't do a whole lot for me, so I just want to remove it and take it off. What I would rather have is find me on Facebook. So the blog archive here, I leave it on there even if it starts to go down as we add pictures, I still want it there. So you can do several different ways. This is what it would look like, the drop-down box. So you can do a flat list, you can do a drop-down menu. I prefer the flat list, and if somebody wants to see the oldest post first, this way they're not searching, you know, what was posted, they can do it that way. You don't have to do it that way. You can do it this way. So look at when I did it. This is the oldest. This is the newest. So like it goes accordingly. So we're just going to leave it the way it is. You can do monthly, weekly, or daily. I prefer monthly, and we're just going to click save. Nothing is going to show up here because we don't have any blogs yet. We don't have anything to share yet. So nothing is going to be there. Okay? Now we are going to add a gadget, and I'm going to add a few images. And this is where we're going to start adding some links. Now, find me on Facebook. And I do the same thing here. Find me on Facebook. I keep this the same. I don't know why it makes a difference, but that's the way I do it. And now I am on my Facebook page, so I am copying the URL address. And then you have to like pick the browser back up. You're going to have a little pop-up box. And then you just take off the HTTP because it's in here already. We are going to choose another image. And I am going to choose my Facebook cover, which is right here. And I will do a video to show you how to make that if you'd like. And you always want to click shrink to fit so that it doesn't oversize wherever it's being placed, because Blogger knows how big it should be. So you always want to put shrink to fit. And we're going to leave that there. And now we are going to view our blog. So there it is right here. When somebody clicks on this, it's going to take them directly to my Facebook page. Okay? See how this just changed? My computer's taking a little slower to get there, but that's where it's taking them when they click on this. I don't want to waste our time. See, it went right there. So that's what happens with the link when you put it in there. So next what I want to do is I want to add another gadget. And I want to put another image with another URL address. My computer is running a little slow, so that's why we're having a little bit of technical difficulty here. Let's see if we remove these. It's slowing things down because it's working in the background. So let's close a few pages. There we go. So now we're going to add another image. Let's see, AdSense, image. And I want to put shop my website. Shop my website. And again, we're going to pick up the URL because every site or whatever you're doing, whether you're on Etsy or anywhere else, you share your actual website. And we are going to go back to that gadget, and we are going to backspace because when you copy it from the browser, it's always going to be there. And I'm going to browse our monthly special. And I'm going to put this on here now so that when people see that, they know we have a special. And we're going to shrink to fit that one. And we're going to click save. Now, say for instance, I wanted to have find me on Facebook first. You go here, you move it up, and then you come up here and you click Save Arrangement. Okay? So that's all you have to do. So let's do another one. We're going to do another image. I like to do images. I like them all up and down the side of my page. So I'm going to put join my team, and then I'm going to show you how to do affiliate links so that you can earn some money if anybody clicks on them. So we got to take that off. We are posting our Magnabilities website again. We are browsing, and we are adding our $50, just like our header. We're going to put that there because I always want them to see how much it costs to join. We are again shrinking that to fit, and we are done. Now we have joined my team, but again, I want my Facebook first. I want shop my website, and then I want join my team. Again, we're coming over here and we are saving the arrangement. So this is what you do every single time you want to add something to your website. Now this footer here, I think I'm going to save this footer and we will add an affiliate link. But right here at the bottom, we're going to add join my team with that other link that we just did. And then this one here, we're going to do shop my store, but we're going to wait until we have more blogs up so that it looks more accordingly. So the next video, we are going to start creating our first blog. And what you'll want to do is when you start adding things here, we'll add different tabs as we go. Those are going to be other videos. But right now, you see, find me on Facebook, shop my website. So if you wanted to edit this to say back to school special, we can do that. Maybe this one here we can change and put like my page. This one here, join my team. Of course, we want to leave join my team. Perhaps what we can do there, let's just change a few things. We're going to edit these gadgets. Okay? So what we're going to put here is we're going to put, please like my page. We're going to save it. This one here, we have shop my website. Check out the back to school special. Okay, we're going to leave that one. And join my team. So this is how you can edit things, okay? So join my team, only $50 plus shipping and tax, okay? And we're going to save it. Now we're going to go back and we're going to view the blog, and you can see, please like my page, check out the back to school special. And our last one here is only $50 plus shipping and tax. And what you want to do is when you start, which I'm going to show you, when we start doing our blog post and they're going down and down and down for the month, because you can decide how many blog posts you want. If you want to do 5 blog posts and then more, I will show you all of that. But this part here, you want things on the side to advertise, so as people are scrolling down, they get to see what you have on the sidebar here, okay? So remember, every time you want to click on an add a gadget, it doesn't matter where you're at, this same thing is going to pop up, and you can add like AdSense. You can add those different ads that are going to make you money. You can do that here. You can do it here. And we are going to add a few on the side here. And since we sell jewelry, maybe we'll do some type of an ad from Amazon, and we'll add a jewelry box or jewelry cleaner, something that's affiliated with what we're selling. So if you sell essential oils, maybe you would want to do a case for them, or you want to do some cotton swabs, or whatever it is you want to use, or little mixing containers. I'm going to show you in another video how you can earn some money by being an affiliate, not only with AdSense, but a lot of other companies. So you'll want to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, because not only am I going to be sharing craft videos, craft supplies, different ideas for you to make some money with HTV and vinyl, there is so many things that I'm going to be sharing with you. So make sure you subscribe, and tomorrow, or I should say our next video, video, we are going to be starting our first blog post. So until then, get working and get those images downloaded. And what I did here, for instance, if you're wondering, like if you are here, we have an account where we can go into a back training office and we can get images. And I just save them to my desktop so that I can pull whatever I want whenever I need it. So that's where I was pulling these images is, and this is what we're going to be using when we start creating our blogs, okay? So there's a lot to learn, but it's going to be so worth it, and I hope that you'll stick with it because this is going to be something that'll be wonderful and helpful in your life. So until tomorrow, have a great day.